Alright guys, here I'm back. Alright, I'm all excited to share some stuff with you guys. Obviously got a new backdrop, a new place to film. It's been a minute. Obviously I've been just running crazy. It's so much stuff to do. And so I've been working as proficiently as I can to try to get what I can get done. And that's kind of where I'm at. But in the process, in the last month, or a couple, probably 4 or 5 weeks, there's been a lot I wanted to share. And so, let's sit here and go over it. This is out on the table here, some of the stuff I got whenever I went to RMAC, some of the complimentary stuff. One of the cool things was a tin holder. This was cool, keep your pellets from spilling everywhere. I have a smaller version of it. This is from JSB. For your little guys, it just zips on over. Helps protect them. Rubber bands for the same kind of thing for these guys. This was something that was cool. This is a Picatinny cover to protect your Picatinnies. You can cut them to length. Pretty cool little nifty items. Something from Utah. Air guns for your pellets. Some pins. A flag. This is something I got. These are something I got from a Target Forge here in California, actually. And these guys are putting together some cool little targets. This will go on a pipe and do your swing targets. Okay. And here are some. This is so you can mount a can right here. And these are also like card holders. Or, well, anything holder. You can hold a ball or all kinds of different stuff. Golf ball, etc., etc. And so there's some cool items. I purchased these and this. And I'm going to put it to really good use here in the near future. But that's not all of what I wanted to go over here. Obviously, I've been out for a minute, but I haven't been forgetting about the air gun community. I've been wanting to move some videos, but just been so busy. And so I'll share with some of the cool stuff I've been kind of gathering as time has been going on. And this right here is really cool setups here. This is a little bag that you can get. I purchased it, the bag itself on Amazon. It's just a little sling bag, as you can see, over your shoulder, or it can go across your chest if you want. All right, and this is just a little backpacker setup. But what's really cool about it is I really like the setup it has. It's got these 3 pockets here that you can use for your for goodies, whatever you might need. And then what I've done here, this bad boy, is turn this right into my foldable backpack now, right here. This guy. Alright. Yeah, look at that, huh? Woo! But moreover, this setup right here not only has that, but it has the pump I can use in the backpack setup. All nice and strapped all together and padded so that they're not rubbing against each other or nothing. It works out phenomenal. Okay, I've done this I got the big boy, the SS, in here. Okay, so if you want just a quick little overview of what we got going on here. Let's see if I can find that up. I hid it under here, I see. Okay, so little zippers. And this is the exact same thing, the exact same setup. I just went with another pump, filled pump, except for this is of course, this is the SS 30. These are both 30 cals. This is the plus. And so, boom, setup. Awesome. Totally awesome. I'm loving both these right now. Okay, there'll be some stuff on these guys here in the very near future, but this is some totally awesomeness right here. I mean, I really do dig this setup. And so this here can hold your other goodies. I have clips. You know, you got I have some of the, like the pump tube, I think was in here, and the filter, and the handle for the pump right? So because you can assemble all this out in the field if you need to, pump up your goodie. And so this makes you to where it's a backpackable setup. You know, and the cool thing about it is once it's all strapped in, you know, you can close this guy all up real nice. I got it all crazy right now, but yeah, you can close it all up real nice. Get it all strapped in there real good. And there. Now both these are all set up for basically having everything. It's like a to-go bag. And these bags are really super cool. I mean, I'm digging them a lot. Now, you got your whole setup, everything you need, your ammo, everything. Boom. You know what I'm saying? Huh? Pretty cool, right? All right. So those are pretty cool. I'm gonna just set this guy off to the side. All right. This way. I'll have to rearrange all this in a minute. We'll set these guys off to the side. And I want to show you guys something else that's really super cool. All right. Now this is a bag I got from Armageddon Gear, Armac. All right. Bought it on site. I liked it so much. All right. And this is for your air tank. Okay. So you got a really solid throw over your shoulder bag for your air tank. Your tank fits right in there. It's padded. It can be put in there and placed in real nice like, and then you can zip it right around it to where you have this guy coming out. And this is a regulator right here, all right, with another little filter here just in case, all right. And I could set this regulator at a specific pressure right here. Like let's say I wanted 2,900 pounds consistently, okay, and I wanted to keep my gun topped off at that 2,900 pounds or 2,700 pounds, whatever the case may be. I adjust this to exactly my pressure, and then we got this cool little gadget right here, all right? And so you just plug this right in, and now you can open up this tank, okay, completely, and this is now controlled by this little valve right here. So you can just plug right in, psh, you got your plug in, and you're ready to top off. As soon as you let this off, the valve closes. You can pop this off if you want. You can leave it tethered as well. But now you have instant control, kind of like a regular air valve, but this is for high pressure for filling your guns. Super cool and super convenient. Okay, I thought I'd share that with you guys. And the last thing we got here is, let's see if I got enough room for all this. All right, let's put this back just a little bit here. Set this off to the side right over here. Excuse me, guys. All right, now I'm back. All right, and the last thing we got here is an AEA the Terminator. All right, but the new generation in 30 cal instead of the 357. And so I'm super excited to unbox this with you guys. They boxed it up really nicely. Now this is from Bintac. A special order. It's been out on order for a minute. But I'm super, super excited to share this with you guys. See how it comes out. Alright, here we go. Set these all together like this. Hopefully this is getting in the whole picture. Open up what we got. I got it the wrong way. Let's flip it back over. Alright, there we go. AEA, you guys get to see it here first from me. Alright. This. Yes. Ooh. And they said they were going to throw in something extra for me having to wait for so long. And oh, look at this. Scope rings. What do you know? And that's because, here's the butt for it. All right. Foldable butt. That's because they threw in a scope. They threw in a scope for me for this. That's super cool. Yeah. All right, I'm stoked about that. Woo! All right, here's some extra valve or some extra O-rings and the fill probe. It's the smaller one, like some of these other guys I have. Okay, my old one, my big one. Oh, these are nice. These are aluminum. These are really nice clips. Oh yeah, wow. These are fantastic. These are CNC'd. Oh, these are beautiful. Woohoo! All right, here we go. The 30 cal Terminator. Oh man, I am so excited. I cannot wait to get this thing together. Check it out. Yes. Wow. It's got the plus tank on it. I think that's pretty cool. Yeah, I can work with that. I'm gonna do something cool with that. This has carbon fiber written all over it. Yes. That's gonna be badass. Let's take a look at this. It's got a little flex in it. I can fix that. Looks like there's enough thickness for me to tap it. I don't think it has a tap set in it. It doesn't. Okay. So I can make this the way it should be nice and solid. That's cool. So you just gotta screw that down, it looks like. Onto there. Okay. So interesting. I don't know, I think I like this better than my other Terminator. That's really cool. That's a long throw. Oh yeah. Ooh, the bubble on the back. Nice. That will help for some precision shooting right there. Okay, I really like, look at the Picatinny riser here. Oh, this is much better. And of course we have the adjustment lever. Looks like we're holding pressure. It looks like it's 1,000 pounds right now. Right at 1,000. Okay. I definitely I'll probably modify this a little bit. I don't like the way it rocks, but hey, you know, what can I say? Oh yeah, this is sweet. Yeah, I like this a lot. This has a good feel to it. What do you guys think? Huh? 30 cal Terminator. Oh, I can't wait to shoot this thing. Oh, let's take a little closer look at that. That is very nice. Yeah, wow. Oh, it's a tight spring on that. Okay. You know, we got a tight spring there. Let's take a look at this scope. Let's see what we got here. What did they send me? Fin tack. I mean, I'm telling you, they're taking care of me. I'm liking this. Okay. So it looks like it's a no-brainer. I like the doors on it. It's adjustable. Looks like it's a by 12. Looks like it's times 12. Okay. Okay, nice reticle. A little bit tight on the adjustment. Let's see, there we go. Oh, or zoomed. Oh wow, okay, yeah, it zooms. Okay, that's awesome. Very nice. Well, I can't wait to try this out. Well, that'll be exciting. And scope rings to boot. Looks like some pretty sturdy scope rings. Yeah, look at those. All right, well, we might even mount a scope cam to this thing and see how it works there, right? So there we go, the unboxing of the AEA Terminator in 30 cal. Yeah, 30 cal. 7.62, guys. That's awesome. All right, well, that's kind of what I got to share with you guys. You guys will be seeing some of this stuff in action in the near future. Man, I can't wait to share it with you guys. It's got me excited. I got a little bit of news on the blind. The blind is coming right along. I have the, it's in the process of being built right now. The range is already set up. I'm just getting my little building set up ready so that we can start recording. So I'm really looking forward to that. The workshop, well, this is part of it actually. And behind you will be the lathe and the mill. Right over here, I have a bandsaw. I'm going to be setting up a drill press over here. And the grinder back in the back room over here. And so this is where it's at. This is where it's going to be happening. I've already got a bunch of my tooling in, and I'm ready to start going again and start the process of making my own slugs and my own ammo. And so I'm really excited about all this, guys. Man, this Terminator is awesome. I love the new look on it. It's badass. I think I like it better than the old one, for sure. And so, all right, guys, well, I figured I'd share that with you. Super excited. See you guys on the next one.